Jacksonville Sheriff's Office, Preston.
Hi, I just need a police escort. I'm trying to get some of my possessions out of my house, and we pulled up to get it, and I'm sorry, he started being violent, like, as soon as we pulled up, and so I just need a police escort so I can get some of my possessions out.
Sure. What's the address?
Hey, fuck you, nigga. Put it down! Put it down! Put it down! Put it down! Shots fired! Shots fired! Shots fired! Suspect down! Suspect down!
Crime scene detectives responded to the scene during the investigation and collected the scissors with which Wright had been armed. They recovered the scissors from the ground underneath Officer Burke's patrol vehicle.